I'm so fucking mad. I'm your mother, not that stupid bitch. I gave birth to you, not that fucking whore. I fucking raised you, not that stupid fucking child thief.
How did it go now?
Awful. She said that because I'm gonna be living with you guys, she isn't gonna be my mother anymore.
Oh, please. You think all it takes to be a family is to have a child together? You're ridiculous.
How dare I what? How dare I have the balls to say how I feel?